finna make my own souse meat, but because it's just for me, I'm just gonna make it out of one pack of these instead of putting the hog maws and the fat back and all of that stuff in it. I'm taking this, wash it, um, put it in some water, season the water with any seasons that I have that I like. I seasoned my water, boiled it, and this is what I came up with. Because I put cayenne pepper in mine without pepper flakes, it turned the water red. These, I really rather have the regular tails instead of the smoked tails. What I'm going to do now is take the meat off the bone. And all you do when you're making souse meat is you boil it like that. Boil it till it falls apart. Squeeze all the meat out of it. Put it in a container. Form it like a bread container. And let it sit in the refrigerator with the juice poured over the meat. And then it forms into a jelly form and you got souse meat. It's really simple. But you season the water to what you want your souse meat to taste like. Whether you want it mild, hot, or just without any seasoning in it. It's up to you. We all should have gloves. Now just get you some gloves. Give you a little example on how to do this. Take this meat and squeeze the bone out of it. And then throw the bone to the side. That's all you do. Squeeze the bone out of it. See? Simple as that. If you wanted to, you can line that container with some Reynolds wrap, and that would fold it on the top of it, and that would help you get it out there easier. Just pour the juice over it. That's all you're doing, and that juice turns into a gelatin in the refrigerator after you put your meat in there. That's it. Now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator and chill. Now I just took the cover off this. Grease red rise to the top. So skim all of this fat off. The fat. Skim all the fat off and throw that away. I skimmed all of that off, and now I'm turning it upside down and get it out the mold. You can put a butter knife, go around that. If you have a hot butter knife, it may help, but you may not need now. Just to make sure that it's loosened from the sides like that, so it'll come out easier. If you had it in some foil, well, Reynolds wrap, not Reynolds wrap, but the clear wrap, then it would have molded and came out easy. Now here it is. I got it out the mold. Now I'm going to cut a slice and show you what it looks like. And that's our homemade souse meat. And I'll see all you beautiful, 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 beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.